today. Okay, off you go. Right, keep your eyes on that one instead. There she goes. Good lad, Evidence. Sometimes when the other one comes out, the first one gets jealous. Whoops. Now, I promise you I was going to get the bird to fly through the horse's legs. Let's try and get her to do it. Keep your eyes on the bird. If you've got a camera, maybe you can get a photograph of this. The horse has to stay still. The falcon has to come in for the raiders. Will she do it a third time? Of course she